Prime Minister Narendra Modi has put out a statement on the Samvidhan Hatya Divas that's been recently announced by Home Minister Amit Shah will be observed as a day to remind and remember about the horror of the emergency of 1975. So to observe the 25th June date as Samvidhan Hatya Divas, loosely translated as Constitution Murder Day or Death of Democracy Day, will serve as a reminder, says Prime Minister Modi, of what happens when the Constitution of India was trampled over. It is also a day to pay homage to each and every person who suffered due to the excess of the emergency that the Congress party unleashed as a dark phase of Indian history. This is very interesting, remember, because the Congress party led a whole election during the Lok Sabha saying that Constitution is being murdered and will be murdered more if BJP returns to the government. Now, Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, and the government now, led by the BJP, of course, has basically said to really know what happens when Constitution is murdered, let's remind you and remember 1975 and the next 18 months specifically as the torture mass arrests had happened. This is very interesting. The strategy that the BJP has put in place, that the next generation must remember what truly the murder of Constitution led to in 1975. So that's a big statement that has come in. After Home Minister Amit Shah, now Prime Minister Modi has put out these words. Piyush Mishra is joining me for the latest. Piyush, it's a very interesting statement, remember. A homage to each and every person who suffered the excess of the emergency. A Congress there unleashing this dark phase. So you tell us, what do you think we should make of this statement that has come in now from Prime Minister Modi himself?
It's a very big statement being made by PM Narendra Modi. Remember that a couple of minutes back, it was the Home Minister Amit Shah who had announced that the government has decided to observe 25th June every year as the Samvidhan Hatya Divas, and now Prime Minister has posted a tweet of Home Minister Amit Shah and has said on X, and I quote, to observe 25th June as Samvidhan Hatya Divas will serve as a reminder of what happens when the Constitution of India was trampled over. It is also a day to pay homage to each and every person who suffered due to the excesses of the emergency as a Congress unleashed dark phase of Indian history. So that's the message also, a political message also being sent out by PM Narendra Modi Puja, and this is coming after a few days when we saw as to how on the very first day of the special session, Prime Minister had spoken out about this and had requested it to condemn this day and also observe this day as a black day. You would also remember that on the very day on 25th June, we also saw how BJP had organized various programs across the country marking this day. We are hearing is that how the government has decided to observe this as Samvidhan Hatya Divas. On this big decision taken by the government, the Congress party has also reacted saying that it is nothing but another.
This is going to erupt a full-on political showdown. Congress party has already reacted, but look at the statements coming in now from the top leadership of why we must remember or what can happen when the Constitution is murdered.